Okay, this is how you cut and freeze Montreal bagels without getting them stuck in the freezer afterwards. So you take your bagels in the bag, you pour it all out. Make sure that the sesame seeds get on the cutting board. You need those sesame seeds for this trick. Use your bag for the bagels. Put the bagels back over here, and you see all the sesames, right? The bagels have to be hot. That's important. So that the sesame stick. This is a nice hot one. Not hot enough, but it's a little bit still warm. Cut the bagel. These are Fairmont bagels, my favorite in Montreal. I know it's a controversial thing to say. You take it, it's still steamy, it's sticky. You go like that, there, put it like that. And when you freeze it, they're not gonna stick together. You just take a little knife and you open it up and it'll pop right off. And that's it. That's how you cut and freeze a Montreal bagel without getting it stuck. Thank you for listening.